Tesla Model S Plaid sets new Nürburgring record for production EVs. I saw Elon tweet about this. This is big. This is big stuff, man. Unmodified production vehicle. Look at this dude flying in the suit. That would be so much. That must be so much fun.
Yeah, everything's stock.
Drive that fast
Stock wheels
around the track like that, man. I'm having fun just watching.
Would you drive? You would drive this like scenario?
I would drive, Will.
The Plaid on the Nürburgring?
Let me tell you something, Will.
Okay.
I would drive. I've been known to drive. I'm going to continue to drive. I'm a driver. You ever seen the movie Drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
You're Ryan Gosling?
Yeah, that was me.
Okay.
This is huge. What was the time? It was like 7 minutes and 35 seconds at an average speed of 164 kilometers or 102 miles per hour. There was also a time of 7 minutes 30 at an average. Like, I mean, this is just cool stuff. Look at this. And he's proud. You got to be proud, man. This is no easy feat to do something like this. Today, scroll up a little bit. I'm going to do the quote. Today, I visited the legendary Nürburgring as there have been rumors that Tesla is attempting to do a lap record with the all-new Model S Plaid. Model S.
Model
S Plaid. Model.
Plaid.
Mortadelle. It's a spelling error on Inside EVs. It's all right. They'll get to it. I managed to film both cars, a black and a red one, and various sections of the racetrack. Yeah, they're just flying over there, man. What was Elon's tweet, though? Here it is. Tesla Model S Plaid just set the official world speed record for a production electric car at Nürburgring, completely unmodified directly from factory. That means it beat my car, Will.
Yeah, yours was second.
I got to sell it now. See you later.
Just throw it in the trash.
Bye-bye. Piece of crap. No, I like the Taycan a lot. It's she's a beauty. So this doesn't mean much. It's probably close. What time did it get on the Nürburgring?
7:40. Here.
7 minutes 42 seconds. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine with me.
You okay with that?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, Elon's really excited because this is stock. Like, imagine if he upgrades the car. You know, that's what he said. Aero surfaces, carbon brakes, and track tires.
Yeah, wasn't that supposed to be the Plaid Plus that they canceled?
Yeah.
Next will be a modified Plaid with added aero surface, carbon brakes, and track tires. All the things that can be done without Tesla being in the loop. Yeah, go for it, man. Congrats.
You did it, Elon.
I love it.